Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all some footage of me riding the e-bike today, and I thought the dogs were gonna chase me and that's all we was gonna see, but unfortunately a car crash happened on my ride, and some friends that I know was involved in this crash. But thank God nobody got seriously injured or killed, and that's the great thing about this. But you never know what can happen. You gotta be careful all the time and don't take no extra chances of going too fast or doing risky stuff. So with all that said, let's roll the tape.
Okay, the big dog getting ready to go and ride. Yeah, what's up, y'all? Yeah. Gotta show y'all the full kit, the full lights, everything. Getting ready to ride. It's great. Just getting ready to ride. Alright. Alright, everybody. Got to show y'all the big dog outside. My e-bike that I built. This is my new bag. Cool bag. It's got saddlebags to drop down on this side and on that side. And then it's my new solid 29-inch rack that I put. This is a better rack. Connects to the frame. Real cool. So yeah. Man, getting ready to do some riding. Gonna show y'all some footage. Yeah, riding the big dog. Gonna show y'all some footage today, man. Gotta show y'all some footage. Me on my e-bike. The dog's gonna be chasing me, and I'm just gonna blast past him like it ain't no problem. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Check it out. Coming. The ride footage on the e-bike. Alright. First of all, we got to power this bad boy on. Alright. We got a full tank. Full up with electricity, energy from the sun. And we got my speedometer. It's ready to go. Showing you the black lights. It's ready. Everything is ready. I'm going to take this ride footage. Let me see if I can handle this. Yeah. Alright. It's hard to ride. Holding the camera. I don't have a tripod on it. So I'm just trying to seeing what I'm doing. Alright, the big dog footage, the big dog. Riding the big dog. Going down the little dirt road. And the horses over there. They like, what's up? Yeah. Doing some ride footage, man. Alright. Woo! That's a monster right there. Your boy got that monster mash right there. Alright, let's get behind him. See, can we keep up with him? The ride footage on the big dog. Let's see, can we keep up with it? Now we rolling. What we doing? 22, 25. That's him right there. See if I can get him. The big dog. Ride the big dog. See if I can hang with him. Ride the big dog. Ride the big dog, see if I can hang. What I'm going, 33, 35. Oh, it's a curve up here. That's some bushes. It's a curve up here in the road. That's some bushes. You see I'm taking this curve. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Ride the big dog. Ride the big dog. See if I can take it. See if I can take what we're doing. 36. Ride the big dog. Ride the big dog. We gonna come up on some dogs. Some dogs getting ready to come up. And they gonna chase us, I know it. Oh man. Dogs gonna come up and chase us. Oh, ride the big dog. Ride the big dog. Uh-oh, they stopped us. Backing up. See if I can get back. Is that Bubba? Gotta get mine and wrap it up tight. I'm gonna go past y'all. How you doing, man? Alright. Well, that's a big shot. Ain't nobody coming home like this. Alright, these dogs. Wait for these dogs to come. Just get crazy, sexy, wait for these dogs to come. I know they coming out. They always come up here and chase me. Will the dogs come out today and chase me? If they don't come out today, I'm gonna be pissed off. I know they coming. And the road got a lot of traffic on it today. No dogs. Damn, what's the deal? Somebody done wrecked. Somebody done wrecked in the ditch. Oh shit, man, this ain't what I wanted to see. Somebody done fucking wrecked. Hey man, you okay?
Yeah, we're fine.
Oh shit! Damn! What the fuck?
Yeah, we're real fucked up on this one.
Man, I didn't expect. What happened? You by yourself?
No, their girls are up there.
Oh yeah, y'all okay?
Yeah, we're all fine.
Oh yeah? What the hell happened?
It slipped. It slipped from my hands where she was coming. You can see the marks slipped from her because she hit that little ditch, lost control. Damn, didn't nobody get hurt? Yeah, that's good. Where's Kim? Did Kim know about it? Yeah, Kim, she was in the car with us.
Oh, she was in the car?
Yeah, she's up there.
Oh, dang. Is that some relatives?
Our cousins.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Damn, man, I'm glad y'all didn't get hurt. When y'all get this car?
Oh, it's my cousin's car.
Oh, okay. Damn. That fucker is total. Didn't nobody get scratched or hurt or nothing? You got some cuts?
Yeah, just cuts and bruises.
Man, you know how lucky you are?
Very.
Do you know how lucky you are that nobody got seriously hurt in this, man? This car is messed up.
Yeah, it's total. Went down 60.
How fast were y'all going down here?
55 to 60.
And what happened? Y'all slid on the rock?
Yeah, she tried to hit the curb tight. And when her wheel slipped off from that rock, when she was going 60, these rocks are very slippery.
Right, yeah.
The car went.
Once you hit the curb.
You gone. You hit them rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, we all got.
Damn.
Right here, 2.5.
You flipped over 3 times from right there. Okay, get some video.
Right here, fool. It went 1, too. That landed on the side on the hat.
Man, hey man, God was with y'all, man. Do you know how if you flipped over 3 times and you ain't got nothing but some little bruises on you, dude?
We lucky. He was with us.
And then nobody, and 3 people was in the car?
Yeah.
You Lily, and
2,
your mom?
It was Lauren.
In the back.
No,
4?
It was the driver. Lauren's the driver.
Who's gonna pull it out?
I was in the back behind one Lauren's friends. He's supposed to get his truck. I think this is him.
Okay, okay. Do you think the neighbors gonna call anybody?
Oh no.
Yeah. Man, I'm so glad. I mean, this is my evening ride, and I was headed up here, and I was like, man, them dogs usually chase me. I'm gonna get some video footage. Okay, they getting towed out by some of their friends. I'm glad nobody got hurt. I'm gonna head on back home. Everything is okay. Crazy. Yeah. Glad nobody got hurt. I'm headed back home. They're getting towed out. It's all good. Crazy wreck right there in the road. Unexpected on the e-bike ride. And ain't no dogs chasing me today. None whatsoever. I'll take that back. He coming. Take that back. Back on it. Rolling back. That was a bad wreck up there from some of my friends, but everybody's okay, and that's good. That makes it all cool, because I'd hate for any of those kids to be hurt, man. Where we going here? 29, 30, 20, 26, 28 miles per hour. Rolling back to the house. Well, e-bike ride was some fun, but didn't expect to run into a wreck with some friends. But everybody's okay, and I'm just cruising back. Wow, man, never know. All right. Outside, looking at the big dog. My e-bike video. That's a good view of it. 1000-watt e-bike. Now I got the full LED light kits on it. Looking cool. So yeah. Wheel light. Alright. Trying to get all the lights on. Trying to get all the lights on. It's looking good. Different shots of it. Alright. That's enough footage. Some of my friends had an accident up there, but everybody's okay. Alright, thanks for watching that part of the video. Now check out this bonus footage of my designer 3D shirts and more. Alright, check it out. Check out these new designer shirts. And we have women and men products on our Hollywood2000 3D design clothing store, and you can get all these products there after you watch the video. See the cool links in the description for everything we have. Thank you. Y'all, just want to show you my 3 latest designs. Power symbol, summer heat, black dot shirt, New style. Greater than most logo shirt. All I got to say is do it while you can and do as much as you can. Yeah, these are my top designs that are selling on Amazon. Just want to show y'all one of my latest shirt design. This is the power symbol right here. The power symbol. Super hot summer shirt. Real cool. The power symbol logo. Yeah, check that out. It's one of my real cool shirts, and I got 2 more shirts I'm going to show you. That's real cool, selling on Amazon. My latest designs. Okay, y'all. This is my other design. The greater than most logo. Yeah. This is selling on Amazon. Get you a close-up. Greater than most. Greater than most logo. The greater than most shirt. Right here. This is my other design. Greater than most. Greater than most. Yeah. Alright. Cool. Alright, y'all, selling on Amazon. The black dot. The black dot shirt. Selling on Amazon. See, the black dot. Let's get her here. The black dot shirt. The black dot. New black dot style. The new black dot style. This is a good look for the new black dot style. Selling on Amazon. One of my new designs. My top selling designs. Yeah. Black dot. Get your black dot.
Check out all the links in the description for the products we have in this video and more cool stuff. Alright, y'all, until the next video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so I can send you information about our other videos.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video.